back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to scan bank feeds for missed write-offs in Keeper Tax. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Keeper Tax is basically designed to automatically scan and categorize your linked bank and credit card accounts to identify potential tax write-offs, eliminating the need for manual scanning. So in your Keeper Tax, all you gotta do is simply get logged in and navigate to the settings tab and simply select the connected financial account section. Now, Keeper partners with Play to connect with nearly 11,000 financial institutions as well. So you can have like your automatic scanning feature once your account is linked, and now you can simply review and confirm all the details. Keeper's AI will flag potential deduction and you will receive notification to review and confirm it. So you can simply check the Ask Me section as well and have some manual additions, and when it's time to file taxes, all identified deduction can be automatically added to your tax forms if you file through Keeper. So you can simply export this data and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.